Major cracks in India alliance. JMM to go solo in Bihar polls. Seat sharing disputes deepen ahead of Bihar polls. Madan Shah breaks down after ticket snub. JDU withdraws candidature of Sabir Ali. Last-minute changes raise questions. PM Modi to launch Bihar poll campaign next week. RJD Women's Wing Chief Ritu Jaiswal to contest as independent against party candidate in Parihar. Hello and welcome to Bihar Election Tracker, your go-to source for key updates as the state moves towards a high-stake assembly election. I am Muskan, bringing you the latest from the campaign trail. Let's dive into the details. With the Bihar election drawing closure, the Mahagathbandhan is facing internal turbulence. In the surprise move, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha (JMM) has announced it will go solo in the polls, opting out of the alliance. Adding to the trouble, Bihar Congress chief Rajesh Ram has voiced his displeasure with ally RJD after the party fielded its own candidate from the Kutumba seat, a move that didn't go well with Congress. The internal friction has given the opposition fresh ammunition. Several leaders have hit out at the India bloc, calling it a confused and crumbling alliance, pointing to the fact that partners are now fielding candidates against each other. Despite the noise, the RJD has downplayed the tensions, saying the seat-sharing agreement is nearly final, with just a few seats left to sort out.
We have worked there, we have struggled there for the last 10 years. And our workers' blessings, to honor the blessings and wishes of our workers, we are fighting the seats. I think they have also very much in pressure of their own organization. So we have also pressure with our organizational status. So we have decided to go alone. So we are not going for any friendly fight. Fight is fight, enemy is enemy.
A high-voltage moment unfolded in Patna as senior RJD leader and Madhuban ticket aspirant Madan Shah broke down publicly after being snubbed by the party. The emotional outburst outside Lalu Prasad Yadav's residence has added fresh fuel to the fire within the RJD ahead of the Bihar polls. Emotions ran high outside RJD chief Lalu Prasad Yadav's residence on Saturday as former party candidate Madan Shah broke down, alleging he was denied a ticket despite promises made earlier. The incident adds to the growing unrest within the Mahagathbandhan as seat sharing continues to stir controversy. However, Madan Shah alleged that the RJD leader Sanjay Yadav has demanded Rs 2.7 crore in exchange for the party ticket. Madan Shah claimed that after he refused to pay the amount, the ticket was instead given to another candidate.
क्या हुआ?
बर्बाद है, हम बर्बाद है, पार्टी के हम बर्बाद है सब। हम जो है ना 2 बीघा जमीन बेच लिया 4 लाख घाटा में। आज जमीन 2 करोड़ रुपए घाटा है सामने। हमको जो है ना 2020 में टिकट दिया गया, लालू जी जेल में बुला कर टिकट।
20 में आपको टिकट मिला था?
2000 वहाँ जो है ना 30,000 वोट है पार्टी का। फैसल अली लड़े थे 30,000 वोट मिला था, हम लड़े तो 70,000 वोट लाए।
ये अपना कुर्ता उर्ता फाड़ लिए हैं, कैसे?
क्या हो गया, बर्बाद हो गया तो कुर्ता फाड़ गया तो क्या हो गया समझे जाए।
आप लालू जी से मिलने आए?
लालू से हम 3 घंटा से यहाँ रो रहे हैं, कोई मिलने नहीं दिया जा रहा है। लालू
नहीं बुलाया?
लालू जी हमको टिकट देने के लिए बोले थे।
Meanwhile, over in the NDA camp, Nitish Kumar's JDU found itself in an embarrassing spot after the candidature of Sabir Ali from the Amor seat was abruptly withdrawn just a day after being announced. The ticket was instead handed back to Sabah Jafar, who had already filed his nomination, leaving party workers confused and highlighting apparent miscommunication within the ranks. With parties struggling to put their house in order, the road to the 2025 Bihar Assembly elections is already proving to be bumpy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to hit the campaign trail in Bihar next week ahead of the crucial assembly elections. State BJP chief Dilip Jaiswal, addressing a press conference on Sunday, confirmed that the Prime Minister will hold 4 rallies in the state by the end of this month. PM Modi will kick off his campaign on October 24 with a rally in Samastipur, followed by a second public meeting the same day in Begusarai. The Prime Minister will return to the poll-bound state on October 30, where he is scheduled to address back-to-back rallies in Muzaffarpur and Chhapra, the administrative hub of Saran district.
सर्वाधिक लोकप्रिय नेता और भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का आगामी बिहार विधानसभा चुनाव और चुनाव प्रचार का आगाज शुरुआत हो रहा है। आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी अपने विधानसभा चुनाव का जो प्रचार अभियान शुरू करेंगे, समस्तीपुर कर्पूरी ग्राम और वहां पर जननायक भारत रत्न कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी के गांव में जाएंगे, उनके घर पर जाएंगे और जननायक भारत रत्न कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी को प्रचार अभियान शुरू करने के पहले उनको श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करेंगे।
With high stakes contests and shifting political equations, all eyes are now on how Modi's presence will shape the electoral mood in Bihar. Well, moving on, in a dramatic turn ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, RJD's women wing state president Ritu Jaiswal announced she will contest the Parihar seat as an independent, protesting the party's decision to field her political rival. Ritu Jaiswal accused the party of sidelining her despite her strong local roots and past electoral fights, including a narrow loss in 2020 and a close Lok Sabha battle last year. Ritu Jaiswal has publicly expressed her disappointment after the party handed the Parihar Assembly ticket to the daughter-in-law of former RJD state president Ramchandra Purve. Though RJD has yet to officially announce its candidates, photos of Purve's daughter-in-law Smita receiving the party symbol from Tejasvi Yadav has gone viral on social media, fueling speculation about the party's internal choice. For daily in-depth updates on everything shaping Bihar's political landscape, stay tuned to NDTV's Bihar Election Tracker. Wishing you all a happy Diwali.